Hi, this is Atif and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Today I'm gonna tell you some more altcoin trades which can give profits within next 24 to 48 hours. But before moving to my new trades, let's have a look on my previous ideas which I have shared in yesterday's video. This is a Litecoin chart, and after playing we can see this idea is executed successfully. And after this I posted the ADA or Cardano chart. And this was the ADA Cardano chart, and this trade is also executed successfully. You can see here. I also posted this DLT chart where the price action formed a bullish bad pattern, and this idea is also executed successfully and the price action has hit the sell zone. Then I posted this chart of DNTBTC, and this trade is also executed successfully, and you can see the price action has hit the sell zone even more than the sell zone. Then I posted this trade of Bitcoin US dollar where the price action formed a bullish butterfly pattern, and this trade is also executed successfully and the price action has hit the sell zone. Then I posted this GOBDC chart, the Go Chain BTC chart, and this trade is also executed successfully and the price action has hit the sell zone and took a very powerful bullish divergence. Then I posted this chart of DNT Bitcoin, and this chart is also successfully executed. You can see the price action took the bullish divergence from the PRZ area and hit the sell zone. Okay, there are a few trades where the price action has triggered the stop loss, and this is the WPR Bitcoin chart. And on this trade you can see the price action has triggered the stop loss, but I believe that the price action will hit the sell zone cause after breaking down this potential reversal zone, now the price action has formed a bullish butterfly pattern and now it can move more up to hit this sell zone. And on this MTL or metal Bitcoin chart, the price action has triggered the stop loss and the price action has just broken down this support. And on this PHB chart, the price action has broken down this potential reversal zone support and the stop loss is triggered. Okay, maximum trades are executed successfully, and out of 12 trades, only 3 trades we have where the stop loss is triggered. But there are some more trades which are still in process. Now let's move to those trades first. This is the COS Bitcoin chart, the COS Bitcoin chart. And on this chart you can see the price action has formed a garlic pattern, and after executing this chart you can see the price action is still moving within the potential reversal zone. So we have a buying opportunity to earn profit from this asset. And this is the dog Bitcoin chart, and on this chart you can see the price action has formed a bad pattern and the price action is still moving within the potential reversal zone. So we have still chance to earn from this asset because the price action did not break down this support and the pattern is still valid. Now let's move to today's short-term altcoin trading charts, and the first chart is DENT Bitcoin chart. On this chart you can see the price action is moving within this pennant and hitting the Bollinger Band support and also hitting the pennant support. The RSI is already in oversold zone, and if we see the stochastic, it is likely to give bull cross very soon. The MACD has turned weak bearish from strong bearish, so I think we have received all bull signals. You can only wait for the stochastic to give the bull cross and then you can take the long position. And this is the Enjin US dollar trade, the US dollar tether and the US dollar trade. And on this chart you can see the price action has formed a bullish bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. RSI is already in the oversold zone. So this is another trade which can give you good profit. If you want to see the targets, I have mentioned the targets here in the description. You can watch these targets here. The other trade is HBAR US dollar trade, and on this chart you can see the price action has formed a bullish shark pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. The MACD is already turned weak bearish from strong bearish, but the stochastic did not give bull cross, so we can wait for the stochastic to give the bull cross and then take the long position. RSI is almost in the oversold zone. The next chart is MTL US dollar trade. In my previous video, I posted the MTL Bitcoin chart, and this is the MTL US dollar trade. And on this chart, you can see the price action is hitting the previous support at 35 cents and also hitting the support of moving average exponential 50 moving average, the 50 EMA. The MACD is strong bearish. You can see the MACD, the histogram of the MACD is dark red, so we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish, or we can also wait for the stochastic to give the bull cross, and we can buy. This is a 12-hour chart. This trade can give a bit more time like my other trades, cause my other trades which I am sharing with you are based, most of the trades are based on 1 hour or 2 hour charts. But this chart is 12-hour chart, so it can even take more than 48 hours. But this trade has a profit potential up to 33%. And my last chart is MDA Bitcoin chart, and on this trade you can see the price action has formed a bullish shark pattern, and soon it will be entered in the potential reversal. In my all trades, the potential reversal zone should be the stop loss point in case of complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone. And these are the buying targets and the sell targets I have mentioned in the description. You can see for the MDA Bitcoin chart. All these coins which I have shared with you are available on Binance Exchange. If you don't have account on Binance Exchange, then I am sharing the link of Binance in the video's description. You can click on the link and create your account there and start your trading today. I'm also sharing the Tradingview's link in the video's description. You just need to click on that link, and after, when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select the people option, and after selecting this people option, you just need to write in the search bar moon333, which is my username, and click on the link. Then you will find my all charts in my profiles page from here. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I will be back soon with more charts and more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Till then, goodbye.